been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves, we go bottoms up, we go all the way.
In this week's episode, we're going to be working on the Hard Top Bimini.
Alright,
got the speed out drill thing.
You have one of the pieces?
Yeah.
Let me see the tip of that. Nice.
Remember, when using these things, you have to do everything backwards.
Everything backwards. First thing we got to do is get this old console off of it. You're just trying to clean that out?
We're trying to
So you can
the
get a
screw
bigger-
heads. There's all kinds of stuff in the screw heads and it's stripping them when we're trying to take them out.
Now that it's started, switch.
Should you go through and drill them all first?
Well, let's just try it and see.
Okay, just make sure it works.
Also in reverse?
Yes, also in reverse. Like a dream?
Well, that just took it right out without even having to flip it that time.
Well, that'd be convenient.
How's that? A little more?
No, that's fine.
It's a cool tool though. Drills it out on one end of it and then it pulls it out with the other end. It's pretty cool. That was under the dash on our gonna be new to us Hard Top Bimini. Got a wasp flying around. He's a little upset we're taking his home. I see the nest.
Where is it?
It's very small.
Where is it?
It's the mud dauber nest in the top.
They're right conveniently where I want to cut.
No, it's not.
Right next to where I want to cut. I'm right on top of it.
You're okay.
I don't want to get stung.
Yeah, that's an active nest.
What?
That's an active mud dauber nest. Hey, can you stick the forks through the holes or is that? Like butter.
Maybe it'll cut those hoses like butter. Who knows? I don't think so.
Nah.
Now that we got the Hard Top Bimini's old console off, we've got to figure out where we're going to put the Hard Top Bimini and how it's going to attach. So we asked Billy for some help on measuring and trying to make everything fit, and he came up with a great idea for a frame for the Bimini. So first we're going to wrestle it away from the goats and the sheep, and then we are going to get it back to the boat and put it on and see how it fits.
And Victor! Hey, from where you're at there, where is the back mat? Stand right up over, would you please? Measure back 5 inches. And let's cut it right off.
And it goes all the way.
But now, otherwise it's going to be, you know, probably something like that. To the where the eyebrow would be, so it's overhanging a lot, but it's not going fast. So that's kind of probably how it's going to be.
Now that we have a really good idea of how it's all going to come together, we just have to make some cuts and make it happen. There are also still several pieces that we need to take off of the Bimini from the way it originally was. I love it when it does that, when it just takes it straight out. You don't even have to do the second step.
Phase 2.
That was nice, huh? The sun getting covered up by that like tiny cloud.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Jesus.
Dabbit, I guess, on this block of wood on our Bimini top that we're making. We're trying to get that wood block out, and it's, imagine, glue, go figure, just like everything else. Broke it.
It's like just powder inside of it.
Tough guy.
Alright, stop. That's probably enough. You can let it go.
Kill me again, Mr. Bartender, please. I need a shot and I'm begging on my knees. The way to fight is one battle at a time. You may have won today, but I'll see you at the finish line.
So that is the underside of our Bimini. Solid.
Wanting to come off, huh?
Pull it back a little bit. We want it a little bit more to this side.
Smart. Your mom's so smart. Thank you for helping out, man.
That's all kinds of water.
Window tracks.
This is gonna be our hard top Bimini. We had to cut it in half. The other half's up there. We're not gonna use that. Gotta take all this off. This old wood that's falling apart. Nastiness. But it's gonna be a really nice hardtop Bimini hide. Mr. Cool. I don't know, I just stack it and then we'll collect it all in. Taking all the wood border out. Put fresh good stuff. Seal it all up. Mean old nasty looking spider's been coming out of all this. Alright, I think we gotta get this out around the hatch too, because that's rotten wood around it.
I don't even know what brand this is. Broke it right off. Can't get these flathead. This is DeWalt though. Brand new. Just went to the store and bought it. Snapped it off like a twig. But we can move this like yeah. But for what? And I got the one out with this no-name generic brand. Just can't get this other one out. And we've got 10 of them to do. How many picks I've broken.
Plus a few more.
hot. Ooh.
Hot on your belly?
Yeah, oh my god. This corrosion all the way down.
It's like corrosion or glue?
It's corrosion. This is all salt buildup. Calcium.
So now we've got it all measured and we've got it cut. And now we've got everything taken off of it. We've got it down to fiberglass. Next, we're going to have to marry it all back together, attach it, sand it, prime it, paint it. But that's for another day. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for joining us and invite you to continue doing so. We hope you're having fun. We sure are. We're learning a ton, and we were just keeping our eye on the prize. We can't wait to get this dream come true in the water.
Aiden, what are you doing? You lost it?
Please show some support by clicking the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Thanks for watching.